Okay, I need to call somebody for this. Hello guys. Yeah, so I was just about to leave the house to go out and shoot some photos because I wanted to review for you guys this phone. This is the Tecno Spark 8, just released by Tecno, an amazing phone, but I have never really used a Tecno. I don't even know what's inside this box. Where? So I decided, why not just unbox this for you first before I go out and shoot some videos with it. So guys, before I go out and take photos with this one, try to test it, put it into work so that I can review it for you. I've decided to just open it up. You guys see what's inside here, because this phone is going for 13,800 in our shops, and that's an amazing rate for this phone because it comes with a very small notch, 500 milliamperes per hour battery. That's quite amazing for that budget. So I've actually looked it up a few minutes ago, and this phone actually should have a very sleek design, shiny. So let's open it up and see what's popping. So at first you'll see the seal. This case, the Tecno company partners with Manchester City, the football club. So you'll see these stickers. They've also given us some information at the back here about the phone and the specs. And there we are. So let's see what's inside here. Quite compact, like you can't feel things moving inside the box. Okay, I need to call somebody for this. I don't want to destroy the box, so yeah. So here it is. You guys can see this is how the phone looks inside. So the phone is on top. I think they did this for security purposes, because if it were down, probably once dropped it would break, or how it's stored. So this is how the phone comes. So this is the phone itself. Let's just keep it here. Then we have I think this is for to keep, or oh yeah, this one is always for the receipts. Once you buy, this one is taken by the vendor and they have to put it on the receipt that they keep for their record, so that they can tell that you bought the phone there. I expected a cover, yes, and here it is. This is a clear cover. I have Tecno. Yeah, this is the warranty conditions for Tecno, so you guys can just read through this very carefully once you buy. It's a 12 plus 1 month warranty from Tecno itself, apart from the shop warranty, of course. And then we have the clear cover. This is quite sleek, also has Manchester City branding just down here. So this has already given me a notion of how the camera should look. Looks quite huge. Power adapter, a USB power adapter, also quite amazing. I like it. It's quite, small, portable power adapter. Then we have the USB for charging. Quite basic. We have the earphones, also quite basic and normal. Then here we have the pin. If you still have this pin once you buy a phone, like if you can keep this one for 1 week after you bought a phone, you should be respected. You are a very responsible person. Actually, we should entrust you with a lot more than just the phone. So let's do this. So this is how the phone is supposed to be sealed. Then you can just unseal it once you've bought it and the warranty is set. Just unseal the phone. Can you guys just see how shiny this one is? Wow. Feels like it has a screen protector, but it has a glass film on top for protection, I think. We also have the sensor, the fingerprint sensor at the back. This one is quite small, so if you have big fingers, kind of might not fit. I will see it because I'm going to try this phone for a few days before I do the actual review. It comes with this is actually dual camera. Then we have the LD light, flashlight here for low lighting. Yeah, we have the earphone jack, we have the USB for charging and data transfer. Then we have this must be the microphone, the mouthpiece. On the side we have volume up, volume down, and we have the power button to turn it on and off. Yeah, so you have the SD card slot, we have the SIM1 and SIM2 slots on the side. At the top we have on the speaker, and they said a dot notch, a smaller dot notch. So here it is for the selfie camera. So basically that's it for this. I think this sticker, guys, will just have to remove it. So let's just turn it on and see. The first time I'm hearing that sound. So quick setup. Should I go with Swahili? No, let me just go with English. It should be Kenya. See, with this setup, once you buy a phone, while you've just unboxed it, with this first setup actually determines a lot. Determines whether your phone is going to experience ads, determines what kind of functionality your phone is going to have. Let's not forget that with the phone battery, actually regions matter because of weather and climate. The kind of batteries that are used on smartphones are kind of very sensitive, and the climate can actually affect its performance. So there's a bit of tutorial. Let me just connect to my Wi-Fi. So now that we've actually unboxed this phone, let's take it out, test it, put it through a lot of tests and see how it functions. It's written here, stop at nothing. So we are going to make sure it stops at nothing. Then we'll come and give you a very honest review of this phone, and it's actually just going for 13,800 at our shops. You can just call this number, visit the website, or go to social media and reach us out, and we'll deliver this one to you. So yeah, basically that's just it for now. This phone is really shiny. You can even see the marks where I've touched the phone. Yeah, that one is not kind of a cool thing, but let's see how it functions. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the other review.